gonna go over card game. So following this, we created 3 classes, which is card, deck, player, and a main class called app. So this is my card method. This is my card class. This is a card class that has my constructor right there. And these are my getters and setters, and this is my describe method. And for deck, this is my constructor. Those are getters and setters. My card class have the method, the shuffle method, and as well as the draw method. And my player class has my fields right here, and it has my constructor, getters and setters, my describe method, my flip method, draw method, and my increment score. And now going to the um main class with the main method. So this is basically what I've done. So this is instantiate a new card. So I give it a string queen, string hearts, and then value 12, which when you print, you're gonna see it as you're gonna say queen of hearts 12. And for the deck, show me the deck. Instantiate a new deck. A deck of from deck class to the main class. So deck that describe we'll call the deck, and then it will show it'll print the deck. And after that, the shuffle. I shuffle the cards right here, made a card shuffle. You're gonna show the deck, and then it's gonna show the deck again, but with the card shuffled. And I created 2 players and shuffled the card again, and it shows, and it's gonna show the shuffle card like this, and these two, and these two pretty much the same. So and it's gonna say let us play. So I create a for loop that's gonna go through it 52 times, and it's gonna distribute the card like evenly between player 1 and player 2. And for this one, this for loop, going to like assign the cards to card 1 to player 1 that flip, card 2 to player 2 that flip, and then is going to call on card 1, card. So you're gonna see it as it iterates through it 26 times. Is gonna show in the console, like it's gonna show like the cards that's being passed for that player 1 is flipping. Whatever card that player 1 flips is gonna assign to this card, and player 2 flips gonna assign to this card. And then it's gonna show like player 1 card and then player 2 card. And if card 1 is greater than card 2, player 1 won. If card 2 is greater than card 1, player 2 win. And we're gonna compare the scores. Player 1 with score player 2. If player 1 score is greater, then player 1 has won the game with the score of gonna tell you the score, or else if player 2 has won the game, greater than player 1 is gonna say player 2 got score, and else gonna say player 2 needs a draw, score player 1, score player 2. Now let's run this. See? All right, so it ran without problem. Remember, the first right here says Queen of Heart 12. Show me the deck. This is the deck from 2 to 14. And the same deck is being shuffled, made the cards shuffle. So now the cards are shuffled right there. And the game begins here. So, and assign card to each player. And you can see this is player one's card and player two card. And since player two card is bigger, is so player two one here, player two again, one, and then player one is gonna that's 26 time, and at the end is gonna tell you which one won. So player two has won the game with the score of 13. Now let's run it again. It's gonna say now player one has won the game with a score of 12.